previously we started revision of chapter number 2. Okay, today we will solve some more two example related to chapter number 2 and then we will move to chapter number 1. એટલે દરેક એક્સરસાઇઝ માંથી જે મેઇન એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે એના રિલેટેડ આપણે એક્સ્ટ્રા એક્ઝામ્પલ એક મેથડ જોઈ લઈશું એટલે તમને આખો કન્સેપ્ટ ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરનો રિવાઇઝ થઈ જાય. ઓકે, તો જે બે એક્ઝામ્પલ રહ્યા છે એ આજે જોઈ લઈએ. So example is that Forum has a total of rupees 800 as currency notes in a denomination of rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10 in equal numbers. How many notes of each denomination has she? Means we already solved this kind of example in exercise 2.2. बराबर denomination examples આવતા હતા. So શું કરવાનું? સૌથી પહેલા number of notes find કરવાનું. નંબર ઓફ નોટ્સ ફાઇન્ડ થઈ જાય પછી એના પરથી રૂપીઝ માં કન્વર્ટ કરવા. મીન્સ 50 રૂપીઝ ની કેટલા નોટ છે તો ફાઇન્ડ કરી દો. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 50 રૂપીઝ ની 3 નોટ છે પછી એમાંથી રૂપીઝ કેટલા થાય તો 50 3s are 150. So that are rupees and 3 are number of notes. So first of all we need to find number of notes of rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10. Here what is the question? Equal numbers. Means જેટલી પણ 50 રૂપીસ ની નોટ હશે એટલી જ 20 રૂપીસ ની નોટ હશે અને એટલી જ 10 રૂપીસ ની નોટ. અહીંયા બીજું કોઈ રિલેશન આપ્યું નથી. આપણા જે એક્સરસાઇઝમાં 2.2 માં કરે એમાં રિલેશન હતા કે ભાઈ ચલો 50 રૂપીસ ની નોટ છે એના કરતા 20 રૂપીસ ની 2 ટાઈમ્સ છે, 10 રૂપીસ ની 5 ટાઈમ્સ છે. તો એ વખતે શું લેતા હતા? 50 રૂપીસ ની નોટ x, 20 રૂપીસ ની નોટ 2x અને 10 રૂપીસ ની 5x. But here the number of notes of each denomination are same. Means જો 50 ની બે નોટ હોય તો 20 ની પણ 2 નોટ્સ હશે અને 10 ની પણ 2 નોટ્સ હશે. Okay, so let number of notes of rupees 50, let number of notes of rupees 50 is x. So number of notes of 20 and 10 also x. So we can write number of notes rupees 20 is also x and number of notes of rupees 10 is also x. Why? Because all of them are in the same denomination. Now you need to find the money. Okay, 50 rupees in one note hoy to 50 rupees, 2 note hoy to 100 rupees. How many notes we have? X rupee. X note means we need to multiply 50 with x. So money from rupees 50, that is rupees 50 multiply x, 50x. Now money from rupees 20 notes, that is rupees 20 into x, 20x. And money from rupees 10 notes, that is rupees 10 multiply x, 10x. But what is the total rupees? Total are 800. Means આ 50 rupees થયા, આ 20 rupees ના money થયા અને 10 rupees. If we get total of 8, we get 800. So we can write 50x plus 20x plus 10x is equal to 800. 50 plus 20 70 plus 10 80x is equal to 800. Now 18 and divide. So you will get 10. You can cut the common factor. So x is equal to 10 means number of notes of each denomination is 10. Means 50 rupees ની 10 notes હશે, 20 rupees ની 10 notes હશે અને 10 rupees ની 10 notes હશે. Clear? Now next example, present age of Kruti's mother is 4 times than her age. Now what is the first statement? Kruti's mother is 4 times than her age. Her means Kruti's age. Okay, Kruti ની age કરતા mother ની age કેટલી છે? 4 times છે. Next statement, 5 years hence age of her mother will be 3 times than her age. After 5 years એટલે 5 પછી એડ કરવાના, after 5 year mother age will be 3 times. હવે મમ્મીની એજ 3 times થાય છે તો આપણે 3 times કઈ બાજુ કરવા પડે? daughter's age. Why? Because we need to write equation between them. If we want to write equation means both left hand side and right hand side must be equal. जो more than હોય, more means it is greater, तो greater than હોય तो આપણે equal to ની sign લખાય નહીં. That's why we need to multiply 3 on Kruti's age. Clear? So first of all, let Kruti's age is x here. Let Kruti's age is x years. If Kruti's age is x year, then what is the mother's age? It is 4 times, means 4x. So mother's age will be 4x years. Now what is the next statement? After 5 years. Kruti's age will be x plus 4 and mother's age will be 4x plus 5. It is after 5. So add 5 in both of them. Now next statement is mother will be 3 times her age. Means mother will be 3 times. So we need to multiply 3 on Kruti's age. So we can write 3x plus 5 is equal to 4x plus 5. Now open the bracket. 3x plus 15 is equal to 4x plus 5. As we perform earlier example, separate variables and constant on one side. So 3x on this side and 5 on this side. 15 minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 3x. That is x is equal to 10. What is x? X we assume as a Kruti's age. So we can write Kruti's age is 10 years and mother's age, that is 4x, 4 into 10, 40 years. Clear? This way we can solve example related to ages, and previously that example is used when the denomination of rupees is given. Now up to this we have solved some example related to chapter number 2. Okay, chapter number 2 my equations वाला example करे and word problem करे. Now we will solve some example of chapter number 1. That is, what is chapter number 1? Rational number. First of all, what is rational number? Rational number are in form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. बराबर? p and q केवा form में है? Integer means it is in a fraction form but it can be negative. Okay, first of all we will solve some example related to property. After that we will see how to represent rational number on number line and find the rational number between given two rational number. Okay, these are the main 3 example can be asked for exam. So here first is 2 by 11 plus 5 by 13 plus 9 by 11 plus 8 by 13. Now in a question it is written simplify using property, means we need to apply the property. So which property can we apply? Here we need to make a group of if we solve this example without property, जो property वगैरह use कर सकते हैं, શું થાય? 11 અને 13 નો LCM લેવાનો, પછી અહીંયા 13 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવા પડે, અહીંયા 11 અહીંયા 13 થી અને અહીંયા 11 થી. But if we take use a property, which property we will use? Commutative. Commutative means join the number, means change the group, change the order. હવે order change કરાય, means 2 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 5 by 13 plus 8 by 13. Now we will solve this 2 first and this 2 first. Clear? So 2 plus 9 11 by 11 plus 5 plus 8 13 by 13. You can cancel out this one. So here it is not 0, here it is 1. So 1 plus 1 2. You can see we don't need to take, no need to take LCM, directly we get answer 2. जो तो मैं LCM लो तो વધારે calculation जरूर पड़े, but if you use commutative property, change the order, it will be easier. So what is the answer? Answer 2. Second, 4 by 9 multiply 1 by 4 multiply 5 by 4. So here first of all we simplified this. 4 by 9, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 into 5 by 4. Now in a bracket these two are in a multiplication, so we can cancel out. 4 4 9 9, so it is 1. 1 multiply 5 by 4, that is 5 by 4. Okay, now next one. 6 by 5 multiply 8 by 17 multiply 5 by 6 multiply 17 by 8. Again we apply the commutative property for multiplication. Like order change करना. 6 by 5 multiply 5 by 6. 8 by 17 multiply 17 by 8. Now you can see 5 5 will be cancel out. 6 6 cancel out. 8 8 cancel out. 17 and 17 cancel out. So it is 1. 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. So answer is 1. Clear? Now next one. 1 by 2 multiply 13 by 10 plus 1 by 2 multiply 7 by 10. Now here these two are in multiplication. These two are in multiplication and between them addition sign. So here you can apply multiplication over addition rule. Okay, that is distributive property. So in that 1 by 2, 1 by 2 common. Here in a previous example all operations are same. In first example all are in addition. In second and third all are in a multiplication. But here two are multiplication, then addition and then multiplication. It means this is the property of distributive for multiplication over addition. Okay. So 1 by 2 common. What will remain in a bracket? 13 by 10 plus 7 by 10. જો તમે property apply ના કરો તો શું થાય? 13 બન જા 30, 2 10 જા 20. એટલે અહીંયા 30 by 20 આવે અને અહીંયા 7 બન જા 7 અને 20. So 13 by 20 plus 7 by 20. તો પણ solve થાય. So here 1 by 2, 13 plus 7, 20 by 10. You can cancel out 0. So 1 by 2, here it is in a multiplication. So 2 cancel, answer is 1. Clear? Now fifth example. Minus 3 by 8 multiply 28 by 25 minus 3 by 8 multiply 3 by 25. Again you can multiply minus 3 with 28 and here minus 3 with 3 and here in the denominator 25 is 25 is. But we know the distributive property, that is minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 common. जो बनने में common देखाતું હોય तो ले लेगा. So it is minus 3 by 8 common. अब हम minus 3 by 8 common ले लो. So what will be there in the bracket? It is 28 by 25 minus sign is there 3 by 25. Clear? Now denominator is same. So in a bracket 28 minus 3, 25 by 25. What is the relation between them? It is multiplication. 25 cancel. It is 1 not 0. Okay. So minus 3 by 8 multiply 1. It is minus 3 by 8. So this is your answer. You can see with applying the property we will get answer easily. Next is 11 by 18 plus 29. 23 by 19 plus 7 by 18 minus 4 by 19. Again, you can see these are the number with the same denominator. So we will group them and these two number are with the same denominator. So we will group it. 11 by 18 plus 7 by 18 plus 23 by 19 minus 4 by 19. Here 4 by 19 is negative. We will make group of 2. 11 and 7. Here denominator is same. બંનેના denominator same હોય એટલે direct addition થાય. 11 plus 7, 18 by 18 plus 23 minus 4, 19 by 19. Cancel out. So here it is 1 plus 1. Answer is 2. This way you can apply commutative, associative and distributive property to solve example of rational number. is the next topic? Representation on number line of rational number. Already learned कराए हो तो representation of number line means whatever denominator is there, you need to divide one part into that equal part. Here for first one, minus 2 by 3 means each part is divided into 3 parts. So what you have to do? First of all, draw a number line. Now this is a negative number, so it is better to represent only negative side, that is left side. Here it is 1, minus 1. So each part is divided into 3 equal parts. So we can write it is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, and this one will be minus 3 by 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we divided into 3 equal parts. After that, minus 2. Now, where is minus 2 by 3? It is here. So this is representation of rational number on number line. Now next is 11 by 8, that is positive. Means each part is divided into 8 equal parts. So again we will draw number line. Minus 1 will be on left side. After that 0. And each part is divided into 8 equal parts. So we can start 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8, that is 1, 9 by 8, 10 by 8 and 11 by 8. So our representation will be here. Clear? You can extend your line. Now next one, minus 7 by 5. Again it is negative number, means it is need to be represented on left side. So draw number line 1 and 0. After that you need to divide each part into 5 equal parts. So minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5. That is what? Minus 1. After that, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5, minus 10 by 5. That is what? Minus 2. Where is minus 7 by 5? It is here. Denominator में जे पर लख्या हो एकला equal part करवाना. Clear? Now next one. Write multiplicative inverse or it can call reciprocal. This question can be asked for MCQ. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Write the reciprocal. We already learned about what is a reciprocal. So multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3 will be minus 3 by 2. Clear? Now this is the fraction, mixed fraction. So convert this into improper. 5 ones are 5 plus 2. 7 by 5. Now reciprocal of it, 5 by 7. Clear? You can, this is 5 by 7, that is proper, so no need to convert it into again this type of fraction. Clear? આ રીતે ફ્રેક્શન આપ્યું હોય તો એને પહેલા ઇમ્પ્રોપર માં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું, પછી એને ઇન્વર્સ કરવાનું. ક્લિયર? નાઉ નેક્સ્ટ, write additive inverse. Additive inverse means changing the sign. So here first is negative. Additive inverse will be positive. So it is plus 6 by 7. Now next, these two both are negative, means you can write it as 4 by 3. Minus minus what they cancel થાય એટલે શું થાય? Plus 4 by 3. Now additive inverse of plus 4 by 3 is minus 4 by 3. આ ટાઈપનો ક્વેશ્ચન હોય તો યાદ રાખવાનું બંને નેગેટિવ સાઇન કેન્સલ થાય એટલે પોઝિટિવ રેશનલ નંબર કહેવાય. That's why additive inverse will be minus 4 by 3. Clear? Now next, 2 by 3, that is positive. Its inverse, additive inverse is minus 2 by 3. Clear? બંનેમાં confuse નહીં થવાનું. Multiplicative inverse means write the reciprocal and additive inverse means change the sign. Find 5 rational number between 0 and 2. Now here 2 rational number are given and you need to find 5 rational number. We already saw this kind of examples. So what we have to do? Here the denominator is 1. To get rational number, we need to multiply with any number. You can multiply with 5 in the numerator and denominator. जो denominator में number ना हो तो मैं अगाउ पण कहूं तो 1 consider कर. And okay, you can multiply any number. So it is 0 by 5 and 10 by 5. Obviously there are 5 rational number between them, so we can write any 5 numbers, 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5 and last 10 by 5. Here you can write any 5 rational number between 0 and 10. Clear? Now example second, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 means you need to find 5 rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Here you can see denominator are different. So what we have to do? First of all, make denominator same by taking LCM. LCM is what? 6. So here 1 by 3 needs to multiply with 2 and 1 by 2 needs to multiply with 3. So it is 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Now 2 and 3. There are no rational number between 2 by 3 and 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. So what we have to do? Multiply some another number in a numerator and denominator both sides, so you will get more rational number. અત્યારે 2 અને 3 વચ્ચે કોઈ નંબર છે ને, that's why we need to multiply more number. Let's multiply with 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So there are only 4 numbers. We can use 6. Yes, we can use 6. So 2 by 6 multiply with 6. You can also multiply with 10. તમારે 10 મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવો હોય તો પણ થાય. So it is 12 by 36 and 18 by 36. Now 12 by 36, 13 by 36, 14 by 36, 15 by 36. So we will get a 5 rational number between 12 by 36 and 18 by 36. 12 by 36 is 1 by 3 and 18 by 36 is 1 by 2. Clear? Now next example, minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. Again take the LCM, make denominator same. LCM will be 10. So minus 3 by 5 multiplied with 2 and 1 by 2 is multiplied with 5. સૌથી પહેલું સ્ટેપ શું હોવું જોઈએ? LCM લઈને ડિનોમિનેટર સેમ કરવાનું. ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં ડિનોમિનેટર 1 છે તો એટલે સેમ જ કહેવાય. Here the second and third denominator are not same. So for we take LCM, it is minus 6 by 10 and 5 by 10. Is it possible to have 5 rational number between minus 6 and 5? Yes. So minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10. So these are the 5 rational number. At last we write 5 by 10. So this way you can solve the example related to find the rational number between two rational number. Okay, with this your concept of chapter number 1 and 2 will be over. જે પણ એક એક્ઝામ્પલ મે કરાય એ બધા ઓવર થઈ જશે. હવે નેક્સ્ટ વિડિયોમાં આપણે ચેપ્ટર નંબર 3 સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું.